Good morning students, welcome back in our science online class. In previous video already we have learned about the skeleton and we already have seen the skeleton and different parts of the skeleton also. Now today we are going to learn about the functions of skeleton. Okay, we learned the skeleton, but what are the functions of skeleton? Why it is important? That we'll see today. So first function, there are four functions. So first function, skeleton holds the whole body together and gives it a shape. Okay, skeleton hold the whole body together and gives it's a shape. So whatever shape we got, so that shape only because of skeleton. Keep in mind. Second thing, skeleton protects many delicate. Delicate means which can break easily. Okay. Internal organ of the body such as brain, heart, lungs, liver, and spinal cord from outside damage. So this skeleton, whatever the skeleton is there, so this skeleton protects delicate organs which are present inside our body like heart, lungs, brain, liver, spinal cord from external damage. Okay, so all are protected from outside damage. Next important thing, skeleton provides numerous points for the attachment of the muscles of the body. Okay. Next, along with muscles, skeleton helps in the movement of the body parts and locomotion while walking. So skeleton also helpful for the movement of the body or for the locomotion. For example, like say some already you know, lower arms are useful for the locomotion. Now some parts, okay, some important parts are there. So we will now describe some parts of the human skeleton in detail. There are some parts that we have to learn in detail. So out of that, first part, that is the skull. Do you know skull? Okay, so this part is called the skull. And this skull is very important to protect our main organ, that is brain. Brain is also called our CPU. You know, in computer, CPU is the brain. So same here, this brain is our CPU. The bony part of our head is called skull. So can you see here picture? So this bony part of our head is called the skull, and inside the skull brain is there. Okay, or it is also called in Marathi khopri. Okay. The skull is made of 22 bones. Total how many bones are there? There are 22 bones are present, or they join together and form a skull. Our brain is inside, the skull is in its upper part. The brain is made of soft tissue which could be easily damaged without hard covering. See, this brain, the brain is made of soft tissue, and these tissues are very delicate and could be easily damaged without hard covering. And to protect this soft tissue, there is a hard covering. Okay, so that is called the skull. Next, in this way the skull protects the brain. The bones of the skull form strong case around the brain, and this is called the skull. The lower part of skull contains the face bones, including the nose bones. So this is called the lower part. Okay, you can see here. So these are the face bones, and here nose bone. Okay. Next, the skull also protects the main sense organs, like eyes, ears, and nose. So these are the three main sense organs: eyes, nose, and ear. And these three sense organs are protected by our skull. The eyes are contain two large cavities called eye socket. Can you see here? These are the two large circular cavities, and these two large circular cavities are specially called the eye socket in front of the skull. From this discussion, we can conclude that some main functions of the skull. So now we are going to learn about the some function. So what are the main functions of skull? So we'll see. First function, skull protects the brain. That already you know. Second, skull protects our sense organ like eyes, ears, and nose. And next one, skull gives shape to our head. Whatever shape is there, so that shape is because of our skull. I hope you understood the skull and its functions. Remaining part of this lesson we'll see in our next video.